Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you find the last shape in the square for yesterday? The last shape that we drew so that we would know what day it was yesterday? Did you guess the orange circle? Good guess. What shape do you think we need to put in for today? If yesterday was orange circle, what shape do you think it is? What color? Okay, let's go back to the beginning and see if you're correct. Say them with me. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle, purple triangle. I need to take a breath. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle, purple triangle. Did you guess purple triangle? Let's draw a triangle together. If you have a paper or a calendar, or if not, just do it in the air with your hands, okay? So we'll start at the top and we'll go on an angle down to here, and then we'll go across, and then we're gonna go back up to the top. That's a triangle. So we'll color that in. What else do you think we need to put into our square so that we know what today is? What is in yesterday's square? Do you see it? This is today's square, and this is yesterday's square, and we are missing the number. That's right. What comes after 27? Yesterday was 27, so today would be, that's a good guess. Let's go back to the beginning and count together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Count with me even if you don't know all your numbers yet, because we will learn them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Did you guess 28? Good guessing. 28 is a 2 and an 8 beside each other. That is a 28. Now let's see if we can count backwards from 28. Count with me. If you don't know, that's okay. We'll practice together. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job. Good counting. So this is today. Yesterday was Wednesday. So today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. So today is Thursday, Thursday the 28th. Do you remember how many days are in the week? Good guess. There are 7 days in the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So today is Thursday. Let's put that into our sentence for today, okay? So our sentence begins with 2 words. Today is. And today starts with a capital T because it is the first word in our sentence. And the first word in our sentence is always starts with a capital letter. So today is Thursday. 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 So we'll put a capital T because it's the name of the day. Thursday and a comma. And next we need to put in the month. Do you remember what month it is? Can you see it up here? January. 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 Starts with a J. J for jolly, jump, Jerry. Today is Thursday, so we'll put a capital J for January because it is the name of the month. Capital January. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count and see if you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. And what are the names? Do you remember? Let's say them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So today is Thursday, January, and now we're going to put in the number. And do you remember what it was? 28. And when we put it into the calendar, the 28 is now said 28th. Can you say 28th? Use your teeth. 28. So we'll put a 2 and an 8. And then we're going to put a comma because we're just going to pause for 1 second before we say the year. And the year is 2021 or 2021. However you want to say it is fine. 2021. And then a period because now that is the end of our sentence. Can you say the sentence together with me? Today is Thursday, January 28th, 2021. Good job. Did you look outside to check on the weather before we started today? What is the weather like where you are? Is it cloudy? It's not cloudy today. I'm so excited because we don't have any clouds today. What about rainy? Is it raining where you are? We don't have any rain. We don't have any clouds. So there's definitely not any rain. What about snowy? Is it snowing where you are? We don't have any snow today and no clouds either. What about partly cloudy, partly sunny? Is your sun out, but maybe the clouds are dancing around and covering it up every once in a while? We don't have any clouds, so that doesn't work for us today. What about sunny? It is sunny where I live today. What about you? Is it sunny where you live? Will you help me put it in our chart? Sunny is the first one on our chart, so it's an easy one to find. And we'll just go over here and look, there's already quite a few tally marks there. Will you count them up with me? Do you remember what this one means with the 4 slashes and then 1 slash through? That's right, it means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's 2 more. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And we're going to put 1 more tally mark in there for today. Can you do it with me? Put your finger to the top and strike it down. Good job. Do it with me while I put it on the weather chart. Start at the top and slash down. So we had 7 and now we're adding 1 more. So 7 plus 1, we have 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8. We've had 8 sunny days so far. That's a great winter. Lots of sunny days is good for us. So we're going to look at the agenda for today. And you remember the other day I did not get my cookies done because I didn't have all the ingredients, but I went to the store and I got some. So I can check off that because I made my cookies yesterday and I took them to my neighbor and shared them with him. So that was my very nice thing to do. I also did my laundry. So now all my clothes are clean and folded and put away. So now we're going to turn it for today. And oh my goodness, I'm running out of paper. I'm going to have to put some more paper in my book today when we're done. So let's start with the day. And it's, do you remember? Was it Thursday? Thursday, like thirsty. So capital T, because it's the name of our day. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, comma. And then a capital J for January because January is the name of our month. Capital J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. And then, do you remember what day it is today? 28th. So we're going to put a 2 and an 8 for 28th, comma. And the year is 2021. 2021. I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to 28. That's a lot of numbers to practice today. Are you going to practice them with me on your paper? You can count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I ran out of room, so I'm going to go down and come back to the beginning. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I ran out of room, so I'm going to go down and come back to the beginning. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. My goodness, that was a lot of numbers. And today it is sunny. So I'm going to pull out my yellow crayon and draw a circle with some sun rays. That's really good. I love sunny days. So today I am going to have to go get some more paper and I'm going to have to put holes in it so that it can go into my binder. So I'm going to draw my binder, and it's green. Let's see if I can find a green crayon. So let's see if I can draw my binder. And it has, well, no, I'm not going to color it in because I'm going to put paper on there, but it has some silver rings here. And then I'm going to put some paper in it. So refilling things and restocking things like our binder or our cupboards or our sock drawers are all things that we have to do. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get more paper for my binder. And I'm going to practice printing my name because I want to get really good at printing my name. And then everybody will know why I drew this picture. It's a capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to spell Thursday or January, or if you don't know how to print all these letters, you can practice. So let's start. We've been practicing with Y. So you start up at the top and come down, and then back up, and then go to that little point there and come down. Are you ready? You can practice on your paper or in the air. Come down and up, and then go back to this middle point and come straight down, straight down. And the lowercase y, you start here and go on an angle, and then you can go up here and go all the way down. So you come down just halfway, and then go up to top to the other way and come down all the way. So down halfway and then down all the way below this line. If you practice your letters every day, you'll get really good at making them, and pretty soon you'll be able to put them together to make words, and you'll be able to spell all the days and the months of the year as well. So yesterday I was nervous because I didn't know if I was going to get all that stuff done, and I did. So I am no longer nervous. I ended up the day being very satisfied. I think this would be my satisfied face at the end of the day. So let's have a look here. So satisfied, I could be satisfied. I got lots done today. Let's put that down there. What about nervous? Do you think I'm nervous today? Uneasy, worried about the day? I think I'm okay today. I'm not too worried or nervous. What about happy? Are you happy today? Are you excited that something's going to happen? Did you get a really good hug this morning? Are you happy? What about angry? Look at those eyebrows and the sad face here, the mad face. Are you angry or grouchy about something today? I'm not too angry or grouchy. What about sad? Are you sad today? Did something sad happen? Maybe you're missing somebody or you lost something. I think I am happy today. I'm having a pretty good day, and I got all of my stuff done today, yesterday, so that makes me feel really good that I got my laundry done and I got the cookies baked. So I think I'm pretty happy, and I'm okay with doing my paper today. I'm not nervous about that at all. And my kind thing today is that I am going to say thank you. Whenever somebody does something for me, I'm going to say thank you. Can you try to say thank you? If your grown-up makes you lunch, can you say thank you? If your friends or your siblings share their crayons with you, can you say thank you? If somebody holds a door open for you, can you say thank you? Or maybe when your grown-up tucks you in at night, you can say thank you, or helps you with your bath, or helps you with your homework, any of those things. Just say thank you. It feels really nice, and the other person will appreciate it a lot. So I hope you find something kind and wonderful to do today, and I hope you have a great, wonderful day. And we will see you tomorrow to do our calendar again. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.